Okay, Kima just got the free spins on this Buffalo Lightning Link, and it may never happen, but we sure would like to win $273,000. All right, Kima, do you feel lucky?
Yeah.
All right, do it.
Come on, money, money.
Did it. Beautiful.
Did it.
You gotta get something.
Come on! Now stop, please!
Oh,
Come on, Mazer!
thank the Lord.
Give me Mazer!
Nice.
Give me Mazer!
Fill it up. Let's get that big win. How about a super grand chance?
Come on! Come on!
They're all dollars, $2, but for a dollar bet, Kima, you're gonna win it all.
Come on! Yes, I will!
You're gonna get them all.
Come on!
And that's the first spin of 8 free spins. So
Come on!
can only go up from here. Bada bada boom. All right, now you got 7 more spins.
Come on!
Do that again, okay? There's a lot of eagles. 2 times. Ah. I think it's good though. I didn't see the number, but 5 eagles at 2 times, $30.
Come on! You sugar! Come on!
Listen to Kima. She wants a re-trigger
Come on!
or more of them buffaloes.
Come on! One more!
Another mountain lion would have been wonderful.
Come on, buffalo, lot of buffalo. Come on, you sugar.
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, $30. It's pretty good.